WaterStickGrowSystem.com. It's Sunday, March the 8th, 2020. And no, these are not weeds. I'm getting ready to pull them, but they're not weeds. This is what's left in here of my no fuss, no muss garden, because I grew this all winter long. This had turnips, beets, and carrots in it, and you can see we've been eating off this all winter long, and it's still, except for some big bare spots here and there, it's still got tons of vegetables in it. And I didn't have to do anything all winter long but come out and pick it. So I wanted to show you this method just so you could see that even if you didn't have a greenhouse or a hothouse or something like I'm going to show you here in a minute, that you can still grow vegetables in the wintertime. So I'll be right back. Okay, just wanted to show you this garden here. This is garden 2, and this is the winter garden where we grow all the vegetables for our salads and stuff. We had romaine growing in here, but it bolted, so we had to pull it out earlier than I wanted to. But we have Swiss chard, we have celery, we have onions, and back there we have Russian red kale. And it's been growing in here all winter long. I had some turnips and stuff growing in the other end as an experiment. I just pulled them out, and we still had turnips growing in there, but you saw the ones from the other garden. So I wanted to show you this so that you know that you can grow all winter long. We had vegetables for our salads and stuff all winter long, and we're getting ready for spring. I'll be pulling this out here in the next week or two, and we're going to pull out the turnips here in a few minutes. So please visit WaterStickGrowSystem.com and check out our books, the 20-foot tomato plant and the 20-foot tomato plant 2 the next season, so you can learn how to do gardens like this. You can learn how to do spring gardens, summer gardens, fall and winter. So please visit our website, WaterStickGrowSystem.com.